Hi there, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I will show you how to fix Gmail not sending emails and it just being queued on your Android device. Guys, let's start how to fix this issue. After logging into Gmail, go to the top left of your Gmail and click on the three lines. And then go to the bottom and click on Settings. Then click on the three dots in the top right, and click on Manage Accounts. Now click on Google Synchronization. And then click on your Gmail account. If you have multiple Gmail account, then select that Gmail account that are not sending email. Now what you want to do, you want to switch off Gmail like. Now restart your device. After restarting, open up Gmail. And now you need to go and turn on account synchronization again, so click on Account Settings. And then click on the three dots in the top right. And click on Manage Accounts. And then click on your Google Synchronization. Now select your Gmail account that are not sending email. Now switch on Gmail just like. And it should go and sync again. After that, refresh Gmail like, and so try to sending the email. I hope the email will be sent. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.